Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aika. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a Senreve haul. I'm going to be sharing with you some of their new releases, something I have purchased very recently, and I'm so excited about these items because they're so cozy, so cute, so adorable, and I just think you all need them. Also, I didn't want to include it in this video, but I think I must because I received quite a few messages whenever I post a Senreve unboxing video, people commenting on my page saying, oh, this was gifted, sponsored, blah 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 about Senreve. And you know, I genuinely like Senreve as a brand. I've been a customer of theirs since 2018, ever since I've discovered the brand, and I think they were founded in about 2017, maybe 18, but basically they're a very new company. And I have never been sponsored by Senreve, believe it or not, but they never ever sponsored me. So everything I say, every unboxing I make, it's all me because I'm just passionate about the brand. I really like it, and I'm not even sure why, but I think it's because Senreve was the first new brand that I discovered here on YouTube, and I remember I was so excited to purchase this menstrual bag, and I did a review on it, and then it just started to grow, and now I'm not gonna lie, I am addicted to the brand, and they never paid me to say anything about them. They never gifted me stuff. Everything I buy for my own money, but sometimes I am a partner of their affiliate program, and yes, sometimes I do use the credit note, but most of the times I spend my own money to purchase their stuff because it's that good and I truly believe in the brand. So I just wanted to put it in here so you don't write any nasty comments about Senreve if you don't like the brand. I mean, it's fair. I don't like Saint Laurent, for example, and so what? Am I supposed to write nasty comments to everyone who likes YSL or to everyone who posts about it or talks about it? No. You know, it just doesn't work like that. So anyway, with that out of the way, let's finally get into the unboxing because I am too excited about all of these items. The very first piece that I want to share with you, and this is the newest release from Senreve, I think. It's second newest, I guess. I think they released a new handbag a few days ago, but this was right before it. Anyway, it comes with this cute dust bag. It's a different dust bag, it's not gray, and it's a pair of shoes, and not really shoes, home shoes. Oh my god, they're so cute. Okay, let me take off the paper from the inside, and I'm gonna get the second one. They are so fluffy and so adorable. Oh my god. So I got myself these Senreve slippers. How ridiculous, but okay, I'm not gonna lie, I like feeling cozy at home. I like feeling comfortable. I love wearing cozy outfits at home, and slippers is another important thing that I pay huge attention to. So right now I'm using my UGG slippers, but they're getting a little bit too old and they don't keep me as warm as they used to. I also have the Louis Vuitton slippers, but they're so delicate. They're in silk and in pink color, not even black, so I'm just so scared to damage them at home because I cook all the time. There is splashes of oil everywhere in the kitchen, or I do something around the house. I just don't want to damage them, you know. That's why I rarely wear them, if ever, and I've decided to get myself these beautiful slippers from Senreve. I think they're so cute. They're really soft. I already tried them on and they're the comfiest slippers ever. They're similar to UGG slippers and they look so fluffy. I got the two-tone one, so they have this purple color at the top and then the inside is in gray color, and I thought the color combination is so beautiful. It's so cozy and so girly. They also have the signature Senreve octopus, and I think it's so adorable in silver. I got them in size small, but there is a size chart on the website, so if you're interested to get them, it's not going to be a problem for you to choose the right size, but I think they're so cool. Let's move on to another item, and it is also something for me to be comfy at home. It's right here, and I got myself the cashmere trousers, and I think they are so stunning. They're so beautiful in this gray color. I was thinking about the color I wanted to go for. They had the navy blue, gray, light brown, like the caramel color, and something else I don't remember, and I couldn't decide whether I wanted them in navy or in gray color, and I've decided to go for gray because I think it's more neutral. I know blue is a kind of neutral color as well, but I wanted something even more neutral, so I've decided to go for gray. They're not that thick, I would say, but they're still very warm and very soft. I tried them on already. I couldn't wait. I always wanted the cashmere trousers, but I could never find the right style for me. Usually they have some elastics at the bottom, and I'm glad that these ones are straight leg pants. They're so comfy. I bought them to wear at home, but now when I think about it, cashmere is very delicate. I'm not sure if I want to wear them at home because they're my first cashmere pants and I want to be fancy and wear them everywhere. I got mine in size medium, but if you're in between sizes, go for a bigger size, I would say, or if you want something a little bit oversized, go one size up once again. They run pretty much true to size, but I would say that this waist part is a little bit tight, so I think you should size up just in case, or take your regular size. I mean, if you're a medium, go for a medium. If you're small, go for a small. If you're a large, go for a large. It really depends on you, but if you're in between sizes, size up. So much better. The next item that I bought is right here, and it's this silver chain. I needed a silver chain, and let me show you why. So I got the Louis Vuitton Kirigami pochette, which is in silver hardware, and I always wanted to wear it as a crossbody bag, but I didn't have the chain strap, and now I do, and I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna put it on the inside like so, and here I have a crossbody bag. It's so cool, I swear. I really wanted a good chain for my bag, but at the same time I didn't want to buy. I think in Louis Vuitton, if you want to purchase one of the chains, I mean, it's gonna be around 250 Swiss francs. That's around $300. Honestly speaking, I didn't want to spend that much on a simple chain in silver. So when I saw that Senreve has some, I've decided to go for them because generally Senreve has great quality, and I just knew that I wouldn't regret it. And I love the idea that now I can wear my Kirigami pochette as a crossbody bag. I think it's so cute. I love traveling with this item as well to keep it in my bag, but I think it's so beautiful that it's such a crime to hide it in my bags, and I want everyone to see it. So I want to use it as a mini clutch, like a mini crossbody bag. And yeah, that was the reason I've decided to go for the chain. They also had them in gold hardware, and I know gold would have been a little bit more practical because it's gold, but since this little guy has silver hardware right here, I've decided to go for the silver so they will match, and no regrets there. I think it's so beautiful. The last item that I bought is in this dust bag, and it's a cute little bag that I wanted for the longest time ever. I don't even remember. I think I wanted this bag for about 2 years now because it's just so cute, and ta-da! It's the Aria belt bag. So I got mine in color black and in Dolce leather. This is the new leather that Senreve created. It's very supple, it's very soft, so luxurious. It smells so fantastic. I love the smell of real leather, and it's gorgeous. So it is very tiny. It's very tiny looking, but in fact it fits so much on the inside. I mean, I can easily put my phone inside. Where is it? Do I have my phone in here? Oh yes. So my phone, and it fits right inside, and look at the amount of space I still have in there. It's insane. I mean, this is like a full-sized medium handbag. It fits so much. It has 2 card slots over here. On the other side it has 1 zip pocket, and the zipper is so smooth. I love it as well. This is so important to me. It also has this Senreve tag on the inside, and it's so beautiful. You can use this bag in multiple different ways, so I already attached the strap to wear it as a crossbody bag like this. I always wanted to try it as a crossbody bag. I think it's so cute to wear like this, but it's very adjustable. You can do whatever you want with it. There are 2 loops at the back as well, so you can wear it as a belt bag. I could also attach my chain strap onto it and use it as a crossbody bag once again, but with a chain strap instead of the leather strap, and I think it's gonna look beautiful as well. Basically, it's a very versatile piece. You can wear however you like it, and I was really struggling choosing the color because they have so many beautiful colors in there. I was really considering color sand because I don't have anything in that color, and I thought it was so beautiful, but at the same time I just don't know how to style that color just yet. My outfits are very different. They can be very bright or they can be very black. It really depends on my mood. But one thing I know for sure is that I don't really wear a lot of neutrals as I would like to. So I really thought that color wasn't for me, and I wanted to go safe this time. I didn't want to experiment with any colors. I didn't want to go for anything crazy that I wouldn't wear. And I have decided to go for a black bag because, you know, you can never go wrong with a black bag, and you can always style it with everything. I don't think I'll use it as a belt bag because I don't like belt bags, but I will for sure use it as a crossbody bag. I think it's such an amazing piece, especially for traveling. I know we aren't planning on traveling anytime soon, but I still think as an everyday bag, as a travel bag, it's such an amazing option, and the price is really good. So this bag was $445 because it's Dolce leather. If you want to go for the regular leather, I think it's called Mimosa or something else, don't remember the exact names, but you can go on their website and check. So if you want to go for a different leather type, it's going to be around $395, and I think that's pretty affordable for a high quality Italian handbag. I will link everything I bought in the description box, so if you're interested, check them out. Super amazing, and I also have a discount code for you as well, which will also be in the description box, so check it out as well. And lastly, I received a tiny little gift from Senreve. So they had a promotion going on that if you purchase on $395 you get a mask for free, and I don't know, I was just lucky, I guess. So this is the mask I chose. I think it's so cute. I'm not gonna put it very close to my mouth because I have lipstick and makeup and everything, so but this is what it looks like. I think it's so beautiful. It has this beautiful flower pattern, which is so cute, and it also comes with this strap, or I'm not even sure how you call it, but it's very different, it's very unique. I still don't know how to use it. I haven't seen it yet, so I will have to figure out, but I will show you a picture from their website of the possible ways to wear it. But there you go. This is the leather strap, I guess. How do I attach it to it? I'm not sure. There is no explanation, so I'm a bit lost. Maybe something like this. I have honestly... Okay, you know what? I have no idea how to do it just yet. I'm gonna have to figure it out a bit later, but as I said, I will include some pictures from their website so you can see the mask. It's really great. If you want to purchase it separately, you can. I'm not sure if they still have this promotion going on, but anyway, it's worth checking out. This is everything I bought. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!